Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of this famous Italian brand of natural mineral sparkling water. The plant is located in the province of Bergamo in Italy itself. So it does come from Italy, even though the brand is present all around the world, arguably the most famous of all brand of sparkling water around the world. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian it would be said San Pellegrino. San Pellegrino, per favore. However, in English or American it'd be fine to say San Pellegrino. You do want to stress on the Greek syllable, San Pellegrino. In Italian, San Pellegrino. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce many useful terms from Italy, all of the traditional dishes, the cooking terms, the Italian cuisine terms, as well as many brands from Italy that we love. See you there. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.